Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. Today we are going to continue additional exercise of lesson number 20, tell how many. Okay, now question number 4, answer the question. First one, what is a joint family? So the answer is joint family is a family where grandparents, father, mother and children live together in the same house. I'll repeat. Joint family is a family where grandparents means dada dadi, grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, our parents and children live together in the same house. Now question number 2. How do family celebrations and festivals make our bond with our family stronger? So the answer is when we meet our relatives on festivals and occasions, it helps us to know them better and make our bonding stronger with them. Okay? I'll repeat. When we meet our relatives on festivals and occasions, it helps us to know them better and make our bonding stronger with them. Now third question. Question number 3. Who are twins? Who are twins? When two children are born at the same time to the same mother, they are called twins. When two children are born at the same time to the same mother, they are called twins. Okay? Now question number 4. Which game were the children playing in school? Which game the children played, students? The children were played the game called Tell How Many in school. Okay? So you have to write this question in your book as a homework. Okay? With this question, our chapter number 20, Tell How Many is over. Okay? So today, now we will start our new lesson number 21. Let's save water. Okay, so now we will start our new lesson number 21, let's save water, page number 144. So this is a story of Rajasthan. The name of village is Bajalpur. Madho is living in this small village. So this is the story of Madho, who is living in Bajalpur in Rajasthan. Okay, in small village. Here the village is hardly visible. Only sand dunes can be seen. Only when there is no sandstorm, few houses are visible. In summer, there is water scarcity in his place. This year it is worse. There is no rainfall in this area. His mother and sister have to walk a longer distance to fetch water as the nearby pond has also dried. The nearby pond has dried. That's why Madho's mother and sister have to walk a longer distance to fetch water. Each day they spend hours just to get 4 pots of water. While walking on the hot sand, their feet burn and blister just cannot be avoided. Now into the next page. Page number 145. Water is sent to this place. Water is sent to this place. A train carries water to the village. Seeing these, villagers feel very happy. Madho's father takes his camel cart to fetch water. However, this does not happen often. People keep on waiting for days together for water. Some people collect rainwater. This is done by a special method called rainwater harvesting by making tanks, tanka. Do you know what a tanka is and how it is built? How is it built? To build a tank, a deep pit is dug. This tanka is made pakka with cement. The tank is covered by a lid. Here the houses are made with slanting roofs. This way the rainwater is stored. The rainwater collected passes through a pipe in the tanka. A sieve is attached the mouth of the pipe so that no dirt goes into the tank. This water is used for drinking after it is cleaned. Now think and tell. Here we have some questions. So we will complete these questions in our next video. Okay. So you have to write question 4 of chapter number 20. Tell how many in your book as a homework. Okay. Thank you.